I think we are moving very far away from nature. So to have a very natural product, it evokes a sense of belonging for people. So when you're sitting on a wooden piece or you see a pure wooden piece, it has its own charm, which nothing else can beat. The inspiration behind this was calligraphy. Calligraphy is another technique which is very fluid. It comes from the brush strokes. So it's just about making a thick and thin line. So if you see the entire form, it's a very thick line which disappears and then comes out again. So the idea was to use this kind of language, design language, to express in the form.
But it was not about the form, it was about the technique. No?
So first thing we did was to optimize the form and the curves, to make it more dynamic and to make it more in tune for the curving. After this, we started optimizing and understanding the curving pattern itself. And a lot of back-end research went into curving to understand what is curving, how much width, depth of wood we should use, what is the depth of curving, what are the patterns of curving. After this, we went to the workshop. So essentially, we were doing permutations of different kind of curving on different types of wood, which resulted us in choosing the American walnut.
Wood has a lot of personality. It's quite complex in a way. It has texture, it has structure.
The process after this was to check the moisture content, because from the template, this unrolled wood which has curving pattern on it, this has to be bent on the frame. The initial studies which we did, they were breaking because the moisture content was less. And then one major point of discussion which began was the cutting of the wood along or against the grain. In the end, the prototype which we're making is along the grain, because against the grain all the prototypes were failing. The form itself is quite a critical form because we have a complete, there's no support in the center where the person is lying down and the form can completely collapse. So what we're doing is filling in resin in this part to make it hard and stiff.
The form and sustainability is coming together from the beginning, not as an afterthought.
When we were developing this product, the idea was that we saw the possibilities of multiple uses. You come home, you go to a lounge, you're just relaxing on it. It's very playful in a way. The possibilities are endless. It's a touch me, use me, sit on me piece. So this is what we're looking for.